And as always, high five. Hold on. After the 5, I need to get my rum. Oh my goodness. A, I'm chewing my ice. B, the internet crucified me. They crucified me. My goodness. It's like Bill just came over. We had some fun. 2 goals in mind. Build an enclosure for the CR10 to be able to print helmets and ABS. And build the Prusa i3 Mark III so that he could take it home and borrow it and give a cosplay perspective on the machine. That's it. That's it. Man, there were people in the YouTube comments that were like, this is why I don't subscribe to you, Joel. Or, if this is what you're going to be moving to full time, I don't see how you're going to make it. It's like, what? 2 guys having fun, just building some stuff, whatever. And these people that leave these comments, where are their tutorials? Where are their attempts at educating the masses? I just think that constructive criticism goes a long way, and experience behind that criticism really helps. And if what you're telling me is not constructive, nor is it based upon personal experience, then you can go stand at the back of the line. Whatever. I got a text. Oh, it's from Vero. Apparently I'm Vero. I'm on Vero, whatever that means. And it's notifications. This, I thought this was a better enclosure video. It's funny. Printed Solid manufactures these enclosures and sells them through MatterHackers. It's great. I know Matt and Dave over at Printed Solid. Wonderful people. Great people. I obviously know people at MatterHackers. Wonderful people. And for me to be able to support MatterHackers, which then supports Printed Solid, it's like everybody wins. It was my sister's birthday today. She turned some age. I don't remember. She's younger than me, so she's less than 52 or however old I am. Tomorrow. Tomorrow's my wife's birthday. Yeah. My lovely bride. The person that stands behind me for everything. She's good people. I gotta tell you, my wife is pretty awesome. And it's her birthday. So after I get done recording after the 5, I think I might go to the store, get some flowers. Because her and the kids are all asleep, and she's not feeling well right now. I think she got sick. Ugh. But I figured I would go get some flowers, and I would go get some donuts, because I know she likes flowers, and I know she likes donuts. Whatever. Yeah, I like ABS now, apparently. Who knew? The enclosures are cool. So many cheaper ways to do this. Let's be honest, so many cheaper ways to do this. But if you are not a tinkerer, you are not an educational facility, you are not a business, you are not someone that just needs something that works, then, you know, go get your foam and build your own fresh prints. That's the name of the enclosure around the Ultimaker that Bill and Brittany have over at Punish Props. But, you know, if you just need something that works, if you need something that's easy to assemble, something that just gets it done, then you buy one of these. And there's tons of people like that. Tons of people like that. There's people all over that just need stuff that works. Etsy stores, businesses, educational facilities, maker spaces, all of it. All of it. All right, well, again, it's my High Five Club. I really appreciate your support. It's stuff like this that it's almost like a personal vlog, right? I'm not a vlog. 3D Printing Nerd is not a vlog channel. It is not a vlog channel. But because of this After Vibe, I get to talk to you guys. It's fantastic. And if you like a Captain and Coke, like I do, get yourself some Kraken and reduce your Captain, whatever you pour in it, by about that much. And then finish it up with some Kraken. Captain and Kraken together, it's so good. All right. There you go. That's it for me. Hey, let's call it good. That was a lot of fun. I just basically said nothing for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, however many minutes. Be good to one another. I love you guys. See you next time.